Hey y'all, Mr. Tim's here. Picked up this lathe from Harbor Frieght Tools today, and I'm gonna unbox it here, show everybody what I got. This is my first lathe. I'm excited, and got a couple of projects in mind. So, pretty odd shaped box, but this particular one is 40 inches long. It's not your mini bench top one. This one is one you're probably going to have to mount it. I think I'm going to mount it here to this workbench I've got here. So I'm going to just go ahead and unbox it. I'm going to put this over here on my super high-tech camera holder, aka my bandsaw, and we'll get to unboxing this, okay? Got a 7-inch sander that comes with on the end down here. Looks like they gave you a few pads, self-adhesive pads. Got a box of some tools here. Set that aside. You'll see now the motor is encased over here, styrofoam. If I didn't mention before, this is a central machinery. You know, that says it all. Good price. Actually got it from Harbor Frieght with a 20% coupon here today. And so the price, I think, after the coupon was $119. So I figured I'm a beginner in the lathe world, so that's a pretty reasonable price to pay for a tool that I'm going to just use as a hobby. So I'm just going to go ahead and rip this down here. Hopefully I'll get this all set up, and we'll show it in action in a little while on another one of my videos. Go get everything laid out here. There's a sanding plate. Adjustable sanding plate. Got to put that on. A couple of brackets and bolts. There's a sanding disc. This is one of your mounts. There. Looks like it comes with a bench tool here. And then here's my tool rest. So not too bad, you know, gonna have to put some stuff together. But you know, overall, doesn't look like it's gonna take me too long. Some of the other reviews I've seen on this product says that I need to really go ahead and get it bolted down, locked down well. I see some holes initially here, here, and I assume somewhere down here, yep, that I'm gonna bolt it to this bench that I showed before. So that's the wood lathe, and let's get this thing hooked up and I'll see how she's going here.